Hello friends, welcome or welcome back to my channel. So I'm gonna show you some makeup products that I purchased. So yeah, uh, just few, only just few, especially lipsticks. Recently I purchased. So lipstick and eyeshadow by the way. Anyways, so yeah, the first lipstick I'm gonna show you is this L'Oreal Paris Rose Signature matte lipstick, guys. It's liquid matte and वैसे तो ये दो का कॉम्बो में 1300 में मिल रहा था, बट आई गॉट इट फॉर 849 रुपीज़. एज यू कैन सी ऑफर में चल रहा था, सो आई गॉट इट. सो इसमें आपको दो शेड्स मिल जाएंगे ऐसे, पैकेजिंग में आपको दो शेड्स मिल जाएंगे पर लिपस्टिक आपको मिलेगा 7 ml प्रोडक्ट. तो गाइज ये दो लिपस्टिक, इसका एक का शेड है आई चूज 121. इट्स अ वेरी हाई शेड that I saw in YouTube, and this is then another one is 115 shade number. I'm both. It is also the very hyped shade. I saw each and every YouTuber and influencers talking about this shades, so I just wanted to try. So this is the inner packaging, and here you can see the shade name with the shade number. So it's quite impressive, and I just love the packaging also. And the applicator is sobomb.com, guys. The applicator is very precise and it's very easy to apply your each and every corner on your lips, and even you can give a shape to your lips. So yeah, the shade I am gonna swatch on my hand for you all is wow. It's just awesome. It's kind of no coralish red, you can say. It's tango kind of red hai ye. So yeah, it dries up so quickly, and the texture is so smooth. I don't know if it dries out your lips or not, but yeah, when I will try, I will definitely let you know. So the next shade is I choose. So here, this is the shade. It's again written here. So it's a nude shade, and I love nude shades, as you people know well. Wow, just look at this shade, guys. Just look at this shade. It's so good. It's so good. Okay, I am so excited to try out this. So the next box is this again. This is the L'Oreal Paris True Signature. Again, I got it for 849 rupees for two lipstick in this particular box. So per lipstick you can get 7 ml. So here again you will get two shades. So I'll show you one by one. This is the 114 shade number I represent. So you can easily find out the shade here by seeing only the color in the upper part of your packaging. So here you can easily find out what color is this. Wow, it's a deep pink, I guess. Wow, this color is my heart, guys. It's not that much drying lipstick, guys. What I felt, you can see those two shades I swatched before. They are already like creamy kind of, but yeah, it's liquid matte, no doubt, but it's not that much dry. So like other liquid lipstick. So yeah, the last shade is this one. You can easily wear this shade in any party or any party wear look or anywhere, like when you are having nude eyes. And yeah, so the next shade from this box is this, I choose 1 to 1. Unfortunately, it's the same shade that I got in that previous box. Again, the shade is this one, so no need to swatch it again. It's useless. So guys, these two, so I got two similar shade in two box. In these two boxes I got two similar shades and two different shades. Anyways, so पहले मैं लिपस्टिक पार्ट ख़त्म कर देती हूँ, उसके बाद I will show you the eyeshadow part. So yeah, and this is the Maybelline New York Sensational Liquid Matte जो न्याय वाला निकला है. So yeah, it's the number 6 best baby. So it's like 349 rupees आपको each lipstick मिलेगा. Okay, so it's the packaging. ये ऐसे packaging में आते हैं, only the plastic packaging. Oh, so fancy. So I will swatch it for you. Wow, again a new shade, and you people know how much I love new shades. So yeah, this is the last shade is this one. So yeah, I can wear this in my office, like in everyday routine. And the next one is this Lakme Forever Matte Liquid Lip Color. This is a new range from Lakme. So the shade number is 27 Nude Hue. Okay, 295 rupees is the price. So, and yeah, you are getting 5.6 ml product. Wow, again is a new shade, guys. Okay, these two shades are almost similar, I guess. See, the last two shades are almost similar, है ना? Anyways, new lipsticks, how much I love, and I will finish maybe. So again, the next shade is from Lakme Forever Matte Liquid Lip Color. It's the shade number 26 Nude Latte. Again 295 price है इसका. So again it's a new shade. Wow, it's a brownie kind of nude है ये. So yeah, you can see it's a little bit different. It's a little bit deeper side में है ये. So it's on the deeper side, and it will be a look on also, dark skin tone and fair में भी अच्छे लगेंगे. And the next one is this Lakme Forever Matte Liquid Lip Color. Is the 28 shade number Coral Sense. 295 price है इसका. Wow, it's the peachy pinky nude. Yeah. Anyways, this all are the new shades, and I love new shades. So yeah, this is the pinky nude shade. It will good on fair to medium skin tone. Maybe ज़्यादा dark skin tone में ये wash out करने वाले हैं. So yeah, and then last and next shade is this Lakme Forever Matte Liquid Lip Color. 25 shade number है इसका. Pink Ballet shade name. Okay, so it's again the pinkish nudish shade. Yeah, again it's pinkish nude shade. So all the shades are almost I can wear in a daily basis. So yeah, I got some new collections for my everyday look. Yeah, this is the last one, and this can be wearable for each and every skin tone maybe, पर ज़्यादा dark skin tone में ये wash out करने वाले हैं. So yeah, lipstick part is done, and the next is eyeshadow, guys. So I got this 3 eyeshadows from Nika K, and these are also the hyped one. I have heard a lot, I have seen a lot about this shadows palettes. So yeah, the first is from Nika K, Poison Apple palette का name है, and इसमें आपको मिल जाएगा 11.7 ग्राम प्रोडक्ट. So yeah, इसके प्राइस कुछ 599 rupees है. So yeah, you can see how beautiful is this. The palette is so beautiful. It has mauve tone, it has no pinkish tone, it has some nudish tone. Each and every tone इसमें है. Plum shade भी है, आपको pink भी मिल रहा है. Lots of good shades are there to make a dramatic look. And the next one is this Nika K Autumn Spice. This is the palette from the outer side, and again it's the 599 rupees for this palette. And yeah, okay, so again you'll get some golden, some champagne, some beige kind of shades, some glitter shade also available. And सारे पैलेट में आपको कुछ ग्लिटर्स मिलने वाले, कुछ मैट शेड्स मिलने वाले, एंड दिस इज सो गुड, एंड दैट्स व्हाई आई लव दिस पैलेट. अभी तक मैंने यूज़ नहीं किया है, बट आई विल डेफिनेटली यूज़ दिस पैलेट्स as soon as possible, and I will show you. And the next one is this Nika K Mocha Mix. Okay, 599 रुपीज़ में आपको फिर से और एक अच्छा पैलेट मिल जाएगा, बट यू विल गेट दिस पैलेट्स less than 599 rupees, because ऑफर तो हमेशा चलते रहते हैं guys, नाइका पे, पर्पल में, अमेजन. So you can get it from those side, and even you have to pay less. Okay, so yeah, some mocha shades, you can say some nude, some plum, and so dark shade है इसमें ज़्यादा. So yeah, I'm loving it. So yeah, this is all. So these are the product I recently bought, and you can see these shades, guys. It's looking so nice on my hand, Anyways, so yeah, अगर आपको ये वीडियो अच्छी लगी तो प्लीज़ मेक श्योर दैट आपने लाइक कर दिया, और अपने फैमिली और फ्रेंड्स के साथ शेयर कर देना कि आप उन लोगों को अगर कोई अच्छे लिपस्टिक, न्यूडिश काइंड ऑफ लिपस्टिक, या फिर कोई भी काइंड ऑफ लिपस्टिक की सर्चिंग में है, तो ये लोगों के लिए ये वीडियो हेल्पफुल रहे. एंड या प्लीज़ डू सपोर्ट मी, एंड प्लीज़ help me to grow more on my channel. And I have lots of hopes, and I know you people loves me a lot. So guys, please, you can also follow me on Instagram. My handle will be there in somewhere in screen, so you can check it out. So yeah, bye, and stay safe, stay blessed, and always wear your mask, and always sanitize your hands, everything, because the condition is not that much good. So yeah, bye.